Today I'm going to show you Smart Medical Premium Forecasting Framework, which is built using Django framework. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python manage.py run server. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. This is our project's index page. This project has three modules: admin, model builder and user. Credentials for admin are admin and admin. Admin uploads the dataset. And view all the dataset stats. Next, admin can view all the users who are registered, and also admin can view all the feedbacks which are given by users and log out. Next module is model builder, and the credentials for model builder module is builder and builder. This is the model builder dashboard. So model builder can view the dataset which is uploaded by admin. And train the model with this dataset. So I have trained a random forest model using the dataset which is uploaded by admin, and I got nearly 89% accuracy. And these are the random forest model stats and graphs. And next algorithm is XGBoost. And I got 90% accuracy. These are the XGBoost model stats and graphs. That's it. Next go to the next module, which is user. Log in with your credentials and predict. Let me enter some sample data. And this is the premium amount which is predicted by XGBoost model. This XGBoost model is the highest performing algorithm, so we have integrated XGBoost model. And next module is live predict. So from here you can predict the premiums. From here you can send a feedback about the application to admin.